Hello everyone. I'll go ahead and get started. I haven't opened this up yet. I only cut like the sides. And I think this is how it is. It's very cute and I love how it's decorated. I paid I paid $37 for this order. $12 of it was in shipping and handling. Oh, I love the designs of this paper bag. Okay, so it looks like these are some freebies. These are very cute stickers. Oh, by the way, this is from a shop called Tokubetsumemori.com. You can also find them on Instagram. There are some papers I can use. So these are all freebies, what I'm showing you right now. I didn't order any of this, which is quite generous for the freebies. Some more papers. These are some washi tape. Okay, I think I made, the order I made was, I ordered this tape over here, a sample of this tape, and I think this was the Camel Garden. It was like, I think $1. And then the rest of this I didn't order, but they're all like very nice and pretty. These are, it's a postcard, the message. Definitely use this for journaling. Another postcard. The company Mindwave. That's how they look. And this is the other side. They're very pretty. So that's it for that pack. This one is like, this is very nicely organized or decorated. This is very nicely decorated. How do I, okay, there's washi tape. Okay, so these are, let's see, oh, she put them inside each other. That's cool. Okay, so I ordered some glue. This was, how much was this? This is the Kokio glue in the color Owl Beige. I paid $4.50 for this. Okay. And so this is basically just glue stick. I wanted some since oh wait, where's the top? There we go. And you just move this up. I journal quite a bit, so I thought it would be nice to have some glue, and I like the size of this. I think this is the medium size, and they have maybe larger sizes, but this is like a really good size, and I like the design of it. And like I said, this is by Kokuyo. Okay, so the reason I even made this order was because of these Freckle the reason I made this order was because of these pet tapes by Freckles Tea. I've been seeing it a lot on Instagram and on social media, these newly released tapes. Oh, they're very pretty. This is like the berry themed one. And the sample size comes in, I think, 100 centimeters. That's one loop. They're very lovely designs. Okay, the next one also by Freckles Tea. These designs are so beautiful. And I think it's this one, that one loop is 200 centimeters. Which is twice as long as all the others. That's very gorgeous. And it's very long as well. It keeps going. Okay, so it's one entire loop. The next pet tape is by Mr. Eggplants. It's like a film style. I really like the red on this. And this one is by Peon. Also a sample. And basically it is a washi tape material, and you can just like remove it like over here. It's like really simple. But I saw this and I thought it was very lovely, and it has maybe some quotes every It isn't very long, but this is one loop.